Who's ready for a thrifting adventure at the Goodwill Bins? It's pretty empty in here today. Hopefully we can find some good stuff. I'm gonna start with the wall right here. Lately there's been lots of books and toys, so hopefully we can find some new stuff. Oh my gosh, this pickle at the bins. This is a very expensive stuffed animal. I know because I own one. Oh, he has a rip. I don't need another pickle, but hopefully somebody else rescues him. Oh, here is not one but two hanging wall pockets. They're in good shape as well. They were $7.99 from Hobby Lobby. These are perfect little backgrounds to put a transfer on. It's a bunch of ribbon. Happy Valentine's Day. They all say Happy Valentine's Day on them. And a little plaid ribbon, or buffalo check. I think I see a basket. Oh, that was a bag. The pineapple on it. Suitcase. What is this? Oh, it's a weird little poof pillow thing. Ren would like that. I'm gonna get that for her bed. Oh, it's a picture frame, but there's a bunch of stuff on top of it. What is this? Oh, it's like a chalkboard, bulletin board thingy. Looks like they have a lot of Christmas stuff in these bins right here. It's a Santa. It's a different one pictured than on the box, but I like him a lot. I think I'll get him. It's an empty box. Alright, add him to the cart. We'll put him on the poof. We got some Easter stuff. Are these trees back in style? We got a gold one, a green one. Oh, here's another Santa. Santa on a skateboard. Red one. Here's another gold one. They seem older. What's this? A little mitten box. Oh, here's another green one right here. We have an old wreath made of fabric. A toilet seat. Very random what's in these bins sometimes. Here's a Santa. Here's some more Santas right here. Got this guy. Winnie the Pooh. A little shark. Alright, let's check that side. Looks like they're changing out the bins. And we got some more tinsel over here. It's a flag bandana. Planter. It's a Santa head right here. I don't think it's vintage. I'll pass on that. Alright, and this one looks like a bunch of clothing, but let's check. Yeah, nothing good here. Alright, I just found this in a bin. What in the world is this? It has this blue stuff in the center. And then these metal strips right here. I am stumped. I have no clue what this could possibly be. These bins are all filled with books. Not good vintage books. I'm just wondering when they're gonna stop bringing out so many books. Got some glassware. Okay, I did not check this wall. I went on the other side. But it didn't come here. Shoes. Come on, bins. Where's all the good stuff? Some mason jars for canning. Halloween, fall decor. Toys. Here's some bins of baskets. Not any good ones. I don't know what this went to. Some more baskets. I like the little handle on this basket, but the other side's missing. Christmas tree. Pink Christmas ornaments. Oh, look at this basket. That's a big one. I don't like the color though. And then here's a little brass candelabra, but it's missing a piece. All right, let's dig through these bins. This is some artwork. Oh, I actually think this is some wallpaper. Maybe that's a magnolia print. Books, mirror. It's got a bunch of pine cones. Here's some foam balls. I don't think I need any more. I usually grab those and put them in my stash, but I think I have enough. Some little figurines. Oh, these you could use as little cloches. I might get these to keep in case I have the perfect base for them. What is this? This looks like mud pie. I don't know, because Goodwill put a sticker on it, but it says sweeten it, so I'm assuming it had a little spoon that went right here. Look, got a bunch of these baskets. I will take them. I love these. These also look great stacked up. You could put a cloche on them. You could put them on the wall. I use them in the backgrounds, like put in the back of my bookshelves. All kinds of things. Well, these are fun to dig through because there's a bunch of little things, but not too much that I'm interested in. Ooh, it's a shovel, and it has a hole at the top, so you could put a hook, hang it on a hook. Really cute. And it has a little orange. That would be good for fall. Got some pots. I do not need any more pots. All right, I see a bunch of pots in that other bin too. Terracotta pots. Yep. More pots and little baskets. I don't know, whatever this is. More terracotta pots and some bowls. Oh, what is this? Little blue and white thing. Oh, it's a tea light holder. It's really cute though. I might get this. Well, it was not a great day at the bins. I only got a few things, some of these baskets, this shovel right here. I ended up finding another one of these, so I got 3 of these that I could use to make cute little cloche, and these little hanging pottery pieces that we can put an IOD transfer on, and a Santa Claus. So that is all that I will be getting at the Goodwill Bins today. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure. Oh, what is this? That's an interesting shaped little piece, little vase. Should I get this? And here's a cloche. Oh, I got a big crack right there. I think I'm gonna add this to my cart. Do I need anything else? What is this little piece? Wait, did I even look up here? Did I miss all this? It's very light. This is not anything that's good quality. And that's broken. All right, I'm gonna get this piece. And that's it. I'm heading out. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in the next thrifting adventure. Wait, we're not leaving yet. Look at this little stacking box. Guess what's on the top of these? How did I miss this? I was looking at that. I missed this piece. Y'all. Gooses with bows. It's not necessarily my taste, but these are definitely back in style and very nostalgic. So I'm gonna get this set and somebody will want it. It'll be on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. I'm waiting in line and I just thought about something else you could use these for. I don't know if y'all remember when I turned those glass pieces into bells. These would also make cute little bells. You can hang 3 of them. So y'all let me know if y'all would like me to do that DIY.